If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Nordic lifting ankle and wrist weights are perfect additions to any workout routine. They are incredibly easy to use and come in 4 versatile weight options. Every order also includes a free handy carrying pouch. Our weights can be used in a wide variety of applications. Wear them to make your jogs more challenging or use them as a part of a balanced cross-training routine. Using weights helps build on core body strength, guaranteed to speed up physical development and increase overall strength. They are made from high-quality neoprene and industrial-strength Velcro, so once you put them on, they stand. Excellent stitching means our weights are built to last, and they feature reflective trim, ensuring a safe workout even after dark. So what are you waiting for? Get a pair of your Nordic lifting weights today.